I want to commend the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Remember, you know, when people do bad, I beat them bad, you know. And when people do good, we have to commend them upon doing good. Now, whichever informer call the Jamaica Constabulary Force and help them to catch the boy we kill the 9-year-old. I don't like informer, but that a good informer. See? That a good informer. See? I want to commend the Jamaica Constabulary Force for the murder there. Here I know. Me kind of disgusted, Zin, with anybody with it harbor the youth there. Only should have dead too. Zin, listen to what me say, people. We are gangster. And we know the road boy thing goes in. When a man rape a 9-year-old, kill her, throw her in a barrel, you're not a gangster, you know. You're not a gangster, you're a batty boy. And if me and somebody like that would have befriended or me know the person, them could have called me and tell me, say, to put them up because they might hide from police. If you do a crime like that, no say, you just can't come around me. You can't link me. You can't call me. If a man do a crime like that, you can't get no help from me. You can't get no support from me. You know, make sense, you call my phone, brother. You understand me, I say? It don't make sense, you call my phone. Cause it not go work. Now me want to know. Him have to did a sleep somewhere. Him have to did a eat food. Him, well, me don't know if him bathe or whatever, but what me I say is, him have to did a survive and a people did have to go shop for him and them something there, or bring him food and them something there. Now, anybody where they support him, for dead too. Big man thing. Me don't know him, you know. And me and him and a friend or nothing, me don't know the person. But anybody where did I support that youth there, for dead too, I got prison too. Big man thing. You see me? So today, I want to commend the Jamaica Constabulary Force for the murder there, where they murder him. People, when you hear a youth, mother, come out and say, him for dead. When you hear somebody, mother, come out publicly and say, him come out of fear home and him for dead. You hear? You hear that? Him own a mother. So she regret bringing him into this world. You see me? What possess you, youth, if you go in a little 9-year-old girl yard and rape her and kill her? Me I tell you the honest truth in a Gandhi. If I did somebody when me know and him call me for help, as him reach on my foot, me I bust him head. Me I tell you that. Me I bust him head and call police to come pick him up. Big man thing. Him could have come around me and get even a cup of water. If he get a cup of water, it'll leak out in like 10 seconds. Because him have to spread out, him have to pronounce. Him could have done away and I sleep and I eat and I feel like everything alright. Could not happen. I tell you. And upon national, what you call this, internet me attack. I'm in a business. 9-year-old my youth. 9-year-old, and you murder the girl, dog. Big man thing, dog. Joke thing, man. And then you want to live after that. After that, you really want to live. And you want to have friends. And you want to say you're a shatter, you're a bad man. Which part are you a bad man, my youth? Which part are you a bad man? And anybody out there, you know. Anybody out there, you know. Any boy out there will feel like say, you can do them kind of thing, yeah. And come expect to live and laugh, boy, yeah. And walk up and down, boy, you're mad. The only thing with them thing, yeah, we want to make sure it's the right person, you understand? And them things happen and last so long because you're not a leader again. We don't have no strong will and strong power man in the garrison them again. I be a jellyback boy with gun in the garrison them. So them say them bad, but as a man kill 2 men over our next part, them afraid of him. And also we grow. We grow and know say, no matter how bad somebody is, once them do them violation, them nobody in our eyes, you know. I dying, we dying for whole year, you know. I wait, we can't wait for whole year, you know. Alright, big man thing. I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna just say it for real. You notice every time Footer Hype defend straightness and speak up about some people, them say me fi dead. Them can't wait for run rat race for take me 3 points. Oh, uno make police kill a boy, yeah. The boy them will say them want to kill Footer Hype every day at Jamaica. Pussy. Oh, uno make police kill that boy there. Oh. Uno fear drive up and down everywhere. I look for that boy, yeah. Uno fear make every call in every community. I want to call every link on and say, yo, we not see the boy over there. Yo, we need that boy. Any means necessary, that boy have to dead. But a Footer where you defend straightness, you don't have that energy there for. That's why I know say, most of the shot of them nowadays are batty boy. Me I tell you no people, most of these nowadays shutters and nowadays gunmen are batty boy them. So them upset when me burn out shakiness. Them upset when me defend straightness. Because deep in them heart, them know them are suck good and a take good. So them well want say Footer fi dead, them wouldn't mind me dead. Cause they can't stop me from talk. So then if me dead, me can't talk. You understand? Why you have such a high energy for want to kill Footer Hype? But you want to run rat race to take my 3 points. And a police get this a big old glory off of this a boy ya. And the street should have get the glory off of this a boy ya. And a police forget that glory ya. Police will come find him with a whole heap of knife stab in him belly. And some whole heap of bullet hole in him head and them thing there. You understand me I say? So, me not understand. Me I try understand how I go on now with society now at Jamaica. So straight people are the enemy. Oh, that boy, yeah. If we do this, and a police kill him. Mad to blood clot. Crazy, man. Sick in the head, man. That's why I big up the police them today. Because we cuss police every day. When them kill innocent people, we cuss them. So when them kill real, disgusting, perverted, dirty, drunk or criminal boy, we have to commend them. Have to big up the police them for that murder. As long as I really him do it, which me believe say him do it, because the way mother talk, I him do it. Our Andrew Holness listen this now. Mr. Andrew Holness. People, anytime you hear me call Mr. Andrew Holness full name, you know so me can talk something where me can't get sofa. Anytime me talk something where me feel like him I go upset the right way, me just say Andrew. Because him one name Andrew. You understand? So me I say Mr. Andrew Holness. I want you to go listen the lady Zine. The man say a race got Clarendon for give him some out of the 16. Very good. Big up the police them up on the live. Mr. Holness, you hear what the lady say? You hear what the lady say? The lady where I'm mother. You hear what she said? She said them in fear for them life. Because lass and stone can't guard against gun. You hear what the lady said? She said she and her next son dead. But them are living a fear. Because them nah no gun. Him have gun and them nah none. You hear? Mr. Holness, you hear that? You hear how long me I tell you no say? The citizens of Jamaica make licensed firearm accessible to each and every law-abiding citizen. You hear how long me I tell you no? You hear how long? Oh no, nah, listen to me now. You hear how long me I tell the government of Jamaica that though? You hear what the old lady said? She said she in fear of her life. Because this is before the boy dead, you know. She has said she in fear of her life. She and her son, because them now have nothing to defend themselves, and the boy have gun and them now none. That the lady said. So the lady I try to tell her, say, if she'd have a firearm can defend herself, she would even afraid. Because the lady I'll say in her phone call, say, she now make him take for her 3 points. She rather take for him 1. I'm mad at that attacking. Him mad will piss him out. You get what I say? So, me not understand what more you need to understand. For know say, at time, we turn up the citizen them thing. Make the citizen them have them license gun. That is it.